Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to tour different homes in different communities here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So here's a quick glimpse of how huge this community is here in Prosper at Windsong Ranch. And if you haven't already, please be sure to check out my previous video where I show different townhomes. So in this video, we're going to look at different homes in the community. This is a huge master community with different builders in different price ranges. But the house we're going to tour today is the Shattuck Homes. When you first walk into this home, there is a bedroom to your left. Very spacious, nice sized bedroom. There's also 2 closets located in this bedroom. There is also a bathroom located right across from this bedroom. So a full bath with a shower. As you continue on from the entranceway, there's a dining room to your right, open concept living space, another sitting area or dining area, and then this huge kitchen. The laundry room is straight ahead to your left. Then there's another flex space that you can make like a media room, a secondary den, or an office space. Plus they have a really nice sized pantry. And to your right is another view of the bar area. So this is great for entertaining. Really great feature to have in this home. So there is a half bath to your left, and then the master bedroom is located on the first floor with a very spacious master bathroom with his and her closets. And on the second floor there's even more space, and it looks like they made this area a gaming area or a game room. So here is the third bedroom with the additional bathroom. Once again, very spacious room with the full bathroom. And here is the fourth bedroom with an additional bathroom attached as well. Once again, all these rooms are very, very spacious. And as you continue, there is an additional bathroom. This one is not attached like the other bathrooms, and the fifth bedroom. What I really love about this house is all the bedrooms, like I said once before, are really spacious. The bathrooms are great sizes as well. Just one more view of this beautiful floor plan from the second floor. And let's go check out the community. This community is known for their amenities, with the most popular one being their 8-foot deep lagoon that is surrounded by white sand, where you can rent paddle boards and kayaks. There's beach volleyball. There are several dog parks, hiking and biking trails. There's an 18-hole disc golf course. They have an amenity center that hosts different community events. There are also tennis and basketball courts, a children's splash park and lap pool, a cafe, and a fitness center. The next stop is Trinity Falls, located in McKinney, Texas. So I am in the market looking for a home, and I wanted to check out different master communities located here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So all the homes that I'm showing today will be in different master communities. A lot of these communities are located more north of downtown Dallas, so they are about a 30 to 45-minute commute from downtown. So just like Prosper, this community does have quite a few builders in different price ranges, and I'm trying to decide which home I wanted to tour in this community, but I think I'm going to check out the Highland home. This is a one-story home When you first walk in, there is a bedroom to your left, a full bathroom, and the second bedroom. And as you continue down the hall, to the right, there is the laundry room. There's a half bath. And then there's a flex room that they've created as a media room, but you can make this room whatever you would like. As you enter the kitchen, they have a huge island that I really like. And I also love their white cabinets as well as their quartz countertops. I have a nice sized pantry, nice dining area, and then the office, which is a nice size as well. Towards the right of the kitchen, there is the entrance to the backyard as well as the master bedroom. That is a really nice size, and the master bathroom. And this bathroom actually has a bathtub as well as a shower, which is something that I do like because I've noticed some homes will just have a shower, which I don't like. Here's another view of the shower and some of the finishes that they use. I really do like this builder, so let's go check out the community and talk about some of the amenities that this community offers. This community has a pool, splash pad, parks, lakes, and hiking and biking trails, a dog park, a playground for kids, fitness center, a clubhouse, an 18-hole disc golf course, plus they also host different events for the community. The final master community that I'm going to tour is Union Park, located in Little Elm, Texas. I was told this is another huge community that's growing and developing. Like all the other communities, this community also has quite a few builders, but I'm going to check out the American Legend homes. This is a 2-story floor plan, and when you walk into your right, there is the office. And when you take a left, there is a bedroom, a good sized bedroom, and when you leave out of the bedroom, there is your first full bathroom. And as you walk down the entrance hallway, you make a right, there is your garage, view of the kitchen, and then your laundry or utility room. Like many of the other homes, this home also has a really nice open floor plan with a really spacious kitchen. It also does have lots of cabinets and countertop space, which I really do like. And then it has the dining room to your right, and when you come around the corner, you will find your master bedroom. And this master bathroom is probably one of my favorite bathrooms that I've seen on all the homes that I've toured. It has the 2 closets. I love the finishes and how it's decorated. It's so nice.
So then, why?
And a peek of the backyard, which I love how they have it landscaped and decorated. And here's another view of the living room before we go up to the second floor.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
So here's the big open game room area, and then to the right is the media room. Here is a look of the final bedroom. So here is the third bedroom with built-ins in the closet, full bathroom, and the fourth bedroom. So that concludes the tour for this home. I really do like this builder as well. These different builders that I showed today have different floor plans in different communities throughout Dallas-Fort Worth. However, the prices and availability will be different depending on the location. So let's tour this community. This community has a lot of amenities such as a food truck park, a fitness course, basketball court, sand volleyball, a splash pad, a playground, a dog park. They also have a pool and walking and biking trails. This concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the next one.